took a long road trip to the city. I was determined to get somewhere, and I spent all my hard-earned money that I saved to get me there. They buy you where you go, to the river running slow, down the road from Mexico. They buy you, carry you home. Guitar picking job in Memphis, and the people there treated me good. But my luck ran bad in Nashville, had to walk the streets of Hollywood. They buy you wherever you go, to the river running slow, and go from Mexico. They buy you, carry me over here. Big Bayou, carry me home.
A Gib Gilbo song.
Yes, sir.
And, you know, we sure miss Gib, don't we, Paul?
Yes, we do.
Man, he was a great
That's why I really wanted to do it for this anniversary. It felt right.
It did feel right. This is our 6-year anniversary, and we got a few people up, and I've got some guest artists that came up, the walk-ons, as I call it. They're going to get up, do some stuff. Ricky Z is like our official guest artist this week. Good to see you. How you been?
Doing okay.
Been working, playing?
We're just flew in from El Paso
You did?
about a couple hours back. landed, put my head on the pillow for 20 minutes and came over here.
No, that's a true friend. Now we got Skip Edwards here tonight.
Let's bring him up to
He called me back this morning and said, what's going on? Because I had gotten his answer machine when I called him yesterday. And I said, well, we're having a little 6th anniversary thing. And he said, well, I'm coming. So
Listen.
we'll get him up here, play some piano with us.
Yeah, let him come up now. I want to sing a song and let him play it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what
Come
you
on up,
want. That's
Skip.
what you're going to get. Gary Swan, you're looking well.
Yeah.
John Palmer, how you doing?
I want to introduce Skip properly. He's my favorite piano player. Played with Dwight Yoakam, made all those hits. Johnny Rivers, he's the guy. So he's gonna come up and play right now.
Come on up, Skip.
Get up. Stand up, pull you right.
Stand up,
And we're
please.
gonna do a Dwight Yoakam tune for you.
Well, we'll figure it out as we go.
Hello, babies.
It starts on the 5. The intro's on the 5.
You got it. Count it.
1, 2.
Show's moving right along, folks.
Oh, look, just like Queen.
So, good, you got it? Yeah, Lindy's coming off. Okay, go ahead.
I don't leave it off. Guitar kicks it off.
Guitar
Dwight Yoakam, what a guy. Skip, you did a lot of work with that young man, didn't you? Yes. Dwight's Dwight's quite an artist. My brother Phil showed up. Phil, did you bring your harmonica with you? I don't know what that means. Did you bring it? Hi, Jenny. Love you. My older brother Phil and his lovely wife Virginia showed up as Louis and Jeannie here. Louis will get up a little later and sing. Are you going to do The Gambler, I think? No, Lucille. He's going to do Lucille. I got Bart here tonight. And Roy's here. Oh, my sister Shelley's waving at me, and her wonderful husband Rick, and my sister Leah, and I have to mention everybody, Cindy, my sister Cindy, and many others. My daughter Kim, of course, runs. Hey, how you guys doing? Oh, look at that! It's
Stephanie and Will,
yeah, Stephanie, yeah.
Ollie and Isla.
Your kids are beautiful. Just love it. Okay, Paul.
Yeah.
Oh, no, Ricky, our guest stars. Hey, something big happened in Vegas today that I'm going to tell you about right after this song. That was really cool.
You got to remember.
What do you got?
Which one? Okay. You took the other one and didn't bring it back.
No.
I know that one.
It's a great song.
Yeah. Come in where it says band in.
There it is, bam. Thinking to myself again, wondering if this traveling is good. Is there something better you and me be doing if we could? Well, in all the stories we could tell, and if this song goes up, it goes to hell. I could still sitting on a bed in some hotel, listening to the stories we could tell. That museum in Tennessee, they played on the glass, brought back 20 memories. Scratches on the face, told of all the times he fell, singing every story he could tell. When all the stories he could tell. Still
from an Everly Brother album called The Stories We Could Tell, and I think that, am I right, was that their last album?
The last one.
That was their last album, and I have a copy of that. I bought it because I knew it was going to be their last album, and it wasn't bad. It was good. The Everly Brothers are great.
Wasn't that?
So let me tell you about Vegas today. This was really a big deal. Susie's nephew, which I guess is my nephew too, Colby Raha, is a motorcycle rider. He, if anybody's ever heard of the X Games, right now he's kind of the top dog. He's won more medals in the X Games than anybody in history. He's got 7 gold and 12 total records. And it's been over the last 10 years or so. You know, he's getting a little, he's like 30 years old, 31 now, but 10 years ago, man, he was hot, and he's still hot. So, Caesar's Palace, they did a big production today, opening this big bar, some kind of a big club, and they put up a great big ramp, and they closed the Las Vegas Strip in front of Caesar's Palace, and the Evel Knievel family was there, all the kids, and they were supporting Colby really strong, and he was going to break his own record of high jumping the motorcycle. And that's where you go up a ramp very fast, and you go as high as you can, and they measure the feet, and then you come back. Now, he already holds the world's record, but he broke his own record today. He went 103 feet on a motorcycle. You know, gee, 103. If I jump a foot off the ground, I get dizzy. What about you, Rick? Same thing? Yeah, so right down on the bottom. So we watched it this morning. We were lucky and got to see it live. Of course, Susie, my lovely wife, is so proud. And it's amazing. And he did 3 jumps to please the crowd. He did one, and I think they said that all 3 had beat the others. So he did one. His second go-around beat that number, and then his third go-around was the big one. And I think they were all world records anyway. You know, this guy is great. So go to YouTube, look up Colby, C-O-L-B-Y, Raha, R-A-H-A. Look it up, and you'll see the jump, and he's a great kid. Well, I remember the day he was born, you know. Dwayne and I, his father used to play pool, and I could never beat his dad at pool either. His dad was a good pool player. Okay, enough of that. Paul, you want to do one?
Yeah, let's do Take Me to Lake Charles.
Oh, wait. One more
Skip.
thing. Lake Charles is a great song,
Come on
too.
up and play.
But I told you at the beginning of the show there were 2 really big things happening today. And the one thing was the thing in Vegas with Colby. But today is our 6-year anniversary of doing the show. And I always felt like that was even bigger than what Colby did. I don't know. I mean, he probably got paid more money than I did, you know, for doing it, but whatever. Anyway, so hey, Skip, you gonna play? Well, no, absolutely. What do you mean? Get up there. We got Skip Edwards, man. That's my secret weapon now. I love this guy. All right, Paul.
Okay. Lake Charles, so the verse is all in A, and the chorus starts with a 2 minor.
Okay.
2 minor 4.
Well, take me to Lake Charles. I could win $100, buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore. Trying to help my sister, I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffet and the dress you can wear. 21's coming to me, I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to Savings and Loan. So take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles.
get some of these people to run through here. Oh, okay, Roy, wait, Louis, come on up. No, come on up. Come on, you're halfway here. Boy, you'll be up in a couple of minutes. Come on up. My brother Louis came to celebrate our 6-year anniversary, and Kia C.
There you go. It's already on. Oh, no, wait, I don't, because that's a turn off.
Okay, they're gonna get the mic adjusted. Thanks for
Yeah.
watching the show, folks.
All right.
You're watching us on Facebook and on YouTube.
Okay. See, you know, it's in the bar in Toledo. It's not the real Little Richard.
Not Charles August Younger?
No. Oh yeah, it is Charles Younger.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
A 1, 2, 3, 2.
In a bar in Toledo, across from the depot, on a bar stool she took off her ring. Thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her her name. Now when the drinks finally hit her, she said, I'm no quitter, but I finally quit living on green. I'm hungry for laughter and here ever after. I'm after whatever the other life brings. In the mirror I saw an eyes closely watched. I thought how he looked out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside him. He had a strange look on his face. Now the big hands were callous. He looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead. But he started shaking. His big heart was breaking. He turned toward the woman and said, you better find time to leave me, Lucy. 4 hungry children and the crops of the field. Now I've had some bad times. I've lived through some sad times. This time you hurt me won't be. You better find time to leave me, Lucy. Take it, Connie. Go ahead. After he left us, I ordered more whiskey and thought how she made him look small. From the lights of that barroom to a rented motel, we walked without talking at all. Now she was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I'd lost my mind. I couldn't hold her, the words that he told me kept coming back time after time. You better find time to leave me, Lucy.
4 hungry children.
In a cross now I've had some bad times, I've lived through some sad times, but this time you're hurting won't be. You better find time to leave me, Lucy. You better find time to leave me, Lucy.
Yeah, Louis.
All right, Roy, come on up. We're gonna get 2 of these guys in a row here. Bart, get ready. You brought your ukulele with you? Man, that's great. This guy plays great. He's a good guitar player too, not bad, I gotta tell you. But he plays really fun ukulele. Boy, what are we doing today? Matchbox.
Yeah, man.
Matchbox. Carl Perkins.
What key?
Hey,
Lovely.
here, A Matchbox. You can still bend down and pick your picks up. I dropped one, just grabbed another one off the amp.
It's easy to get
I
down.
pick it up later.
Not so easy to get back up.
All right, you kick it off, give us the groove here.
Sitting here wondering what matchbox on my clothes. Sitting here wondering what matchbox on my clothes. Well, I ain't got matches left, got a long way to go. Well, I know, oh boy, long way to come. Woo, yeah.
Since day one. Every week he supports the show, if you know what I'm talking about. And we just love this guy. He's always welcome here at Carmine's Country Corner. We've always got a spot for you. You know that.
You make me blush.
I know that. Now get off the stage. Okay. Love you, Roy. Watch yourself there with all those wires.
Nice job, Frog.
couple of times on it. It's kind of fun. Nice stuff, Ricky. Man, no. God, I love working with this guy. You know, Ricky was our very first guest artist 6 years ago when we started the show. I called Ricky. Now, I'm going to tell you a funny story about that, too, because it was our first show, and of course, I didn't know what was going to happen. First day out of the shoot, I called everybody in town, every guitar player, every singer I knew, and they were all working, but Ricky wasn't. No, I said, Ricky, what are you doing this weekend? He said, I got nothing. I said, come up, do this. No, I'm just kidding. I called him first. I love Ricky. We've been good friends a long time, and I said, he'd be perfect for our first guest artist, and I love you for it. Thank you. All right, Bart, come on up. Let's get on, Bart. Bart's he's practically part of the family around here. He comes up all the time and plays for fun, and then sometimes he's our guest artist.
Can I get a raise in my allowance, Pop?
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, but and how's your lovely wife? Why is she not here with you? I love her.
She's not here because she's watching from home.
Oh, well, we love her. Okay. All right, so
You know what I love about Bart is it's impossible to tell where his hair ends and his coat begins.
His coat begins. Yeah. I don't have much hair myself, but I'd love to just borrow that coat. If I wrapped it around my neck, I might look like something. See, we're still feeding back.
Somebody messed with all these buttons here.
Everybody just yell loud. Sorry. Push a little harder and you'll be fine.
Somebody set this up for a guitar. What's going on here?
I think that was Roy. Yeah, Roy got there before you did, so. Get it.
This thing hasn't been working.
What?
There's no volume coming out of this thing.
Check one. Well,
Okay, I'll just sing loud.
let's go open your mouth.
Alrighty, let's do
I brought you up a little bit. Try that.
Hello?
Hi, yeah, well that's more like it. Let's do the breeze in A.
Let's go.
John, you ever heard it before?
Call me the breeze.
I was.
They're trying to hit me with your ukulele, Bob. Thanks a million, man. Come by more often, would you? We miss you around here. Phil, you don't want to do any harmonica today? No, you're gonna lay back, all right? I understand that. That's cool. Any of you girls want to sing one? Ah, see? Bunch of chickens out there. Anyway, no. So you're watching Carmine's Country Corner. It's our 6th anniversary show on the same day that Colby Raha broke the world's record for the high jump on a motorcycle. He did it at Caesar's Palace. I heard they closed the whole block down. The whole strip, Vegas Strip, was shut down so we could make that jump. And we saw it, of course. We watched it on YouTube. And man, was it spectacular the way this guy does this. Just amazing. Anyway, Colby, we love you and your family. And I know his grandmother, Ann, who is Susie's sister, Ann, is Colby's grandma. And I know how proud she is. Because, you know, he asked her to get on the bike with him. And he would, yeah, but she declined. Yeah, she said no. Anyway, but. What do you got, a chord chart? You brought a chord chart to Carmine's Country Corner? You can, don't hurt yourself with those. Do another one. You're the guest, Alice.
Let's play that one.
Let's do that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I love that song.
G.
You know, the other one I love too is the Lost Highway.
Dwight. You got your little hurt small pieces of ground. You got your little and you got your
you were
That
auditioning
man
for a
can
money
pick.
gig.
Jamie, I didn't know you were going to bring all that here today with you. I thought you were leaving a lot of that stuff at home.
Yeah,
I forgot.
Okay.
I'm telling you,
Well,
Coleman,
that's
it
the
was
last
like,
time you're ever going to work this show. I'll tell you that.
Hey.
You're not going to play like that in
Too
front of
many
me.
notes.
Okay.
Carmine,
Yeah, but they were all good ones. What?
he was like playing like he was auditioning for a money gig.
Oh, yeah.
Keep that stuff at
Well, you
home,
know, I
man.
did bring the coat.
Great stuff. Oh, we're going to go over a little bit. All right. Just a couple. We're going to do a couple more and then we'll come out and have some pizza with you. Want to thank you all for coming up. Phil, Jen, you guys drove a long way and thank you. And Phil, I got to come up to see you more often. I've been busy and so forgive me for that. But Jenny, great job. Kim, good job. Jenny, you do a good job too. But I just screwed up on the names. Kim, how's it going? Everything's perfect. I like the thumbs up. Yeah, man. Skip, thanks for coming up. Bog, of course,
Yes.
my good friend Bog. And Roy, my big supporter. Love Roy. And who else got up? Did anybody else get up? Roy, Bog. Oh, Lois.
Look,
Lois got up and sang. Everybody that helped us with our show, we appreciate you. Who's doing one?
Keep A. 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 Vamping A. 2. A 1, 2, 3.
The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day
Okay, we're gonna heavy train head.
You got it.
Rock solid.
Heavy.
Heavy and rock like a solid, I think.
Listen to the bass on listen to the bass on my white gray eyes satisfied. Used to have my friends had. Folks, that's going to be the show. Ricky, thanks for coming up. Watch us next week, folks, 6 o'clock every Sunday. This is the beginning of our 6th year. Actually, 7th. We just finished 6. Thank you all for coming. We had a great little crowd. We had a lot of fun. God bless you. Good night.